How to make a white background transparent in Illustrator. 1. Open and prepare Illustrator. 2. Place the image in Illustrator. 3. Make the background transparent. 4. Save as a PNG file format. 5. Making Illustrator background transparent instead of white. Question: why does my transparent background turn white in Illustrator? Answer: there are a few reasons why your transparent background might turn white in Illustrator. Asterisk: you are not using a transparent file format. Illustrator only supports transparent backgrounds in PNG, SVG, and PDF files. If you are trying to save your file in a different format, such as JPEG or GIF, the background will not be transparent. Asterisk: you have not enabled transparency in the Save for Web dialog box. When you save your file for the web, you need to make sure that the transparency option is enabled in the Save for Web dialog box. If this option is not enabled, the background will not be transparent. Asterisk: you have accidentally filled the background with white. If you accidentally fill the background with white, it will no longer be transparent. To fix this, select the background with the Direct Selection tool, A, and press the Delete key. If you are still having trouble with transparent backgrounds in Illustrator, you can try the following troubleshooting tips. Asterisk: close and reopen Illustrator. Asterisk: restart your computer. Asterisk: uninstall and reinstall Illustrator. Asterisk: contact Adobe customer support for help.